Hi, Chem 30. We're going to look at valence electrons. So hopefully you printed out a blank periodic table, and I want you to just write valence electrons. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is we're only going to fill out columns 1 and 2 and 13 to 18. That's all we need for this course. All we have to know how to do is to be able to draw these diagrams for group 1 and 2, 13 to 18. We actually only need the nonmetals found here. So what happens as we go from left to right, as we go along the periods? Groups are up and down, periods are this way. We add one valence electron. So we start with hydrogen. Hydrogen has one valence electron. Then we move to helium. Helium has one more. It has two. Okay. Helium and hydrogen are a special case. From now on, what we're going to do is we can imagine we put the symbol of the element here, and don't write this part down, I'm just showing you. And then imagine you have two boxes on each side. And the order we're going to go in, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to switch colors, but I don't know that it's going to let me. Just like in my class, nothing works. There we go. The order we're going to go in is we're going to go around in this direction. First of all, filling up that first box, and then we fill up the next box. That's how we add these dots, and these are called Lewis dot diagrams. Okay, so lithium is next. Okay. Everyone in this group has only one valence electron. That's just the dot on the Li, sorry. Okay, and then we have beryllium. Beryllium, we just add one more valence electron. And like I said, we're going to follow this pattern where we go around one at a time. Okay, beryllium. Next comes boron, and hopefully you're using your yellow booklet. That yellow booklet shows you all the symbols. Actually, yours won't be yellow. The data booklet. My in-class kids are yellow. That data booklet that shows that periodic table. I hope you have that open so that you have a guide for what we're doing here. Okay, so we add one more. 1, 2, 3. After boron comes carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add one more for nitrogen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we start doubling up as we go around again. Nitrogen. After nitrogen comes oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In all of those spots there. Fluorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There should be 2 on the bottom here. Hopefully yours is neater than mine. Neon. And this will have all 8. So there would be 8 boxes around it. Okay, we're going to start the pattern again. Here we have sodium. Okay, and sodium is going to have 1. Everything in this column has just one valence electron. And valence electrons are important. They're what can interact. They're in the outermost energy level that can interact. Mg, we have one more valence electron. Everything in column 2 has 2 valence electrons. Sorry, 13 is aluminum. It will have 3. 1, 2, 3. Everything in this column has 3. So we keep adding on. So I'd like you to fill out this whole periodic table just so you really get a practice of the pattern. Yeah, so just 13 to 18 and 1 and 2. these elements around here start getting a little strange. We have some funny names, so you don't have to do it for those 3-lettered ones. Don't worry too much about those, but just make sure you get francium and radium here. And I already know, based on the pattern, that francium is going to have 1 valence electron, radium would have 2 because they are in that same group, that same column. Okay, so you've got some to fill in here, and you've got all of this part to fill in as well.